Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Facebook Pixel on a WordPress website. So when you log in on your WordPress website, you're gonna have to come on extension, just click add, and then you come here, Facebook Pixel. Okay, from there we are going to install this one, Pixel your site. We're gonna click install. When we're done installing, we are going to activate it. Activate. Okay, so when you're done installing, you might have to come here, Pixel your site, just click dashboard. Okay, so from here you're gonna have to enter your Facebook ID. You're gonna need an API token. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do, we are going to our Facebook page. So from here we're going to come here, data sources. Okay, and then this is the Pixel ID. We're going to select this Pixel ID, copy it. I'm gonna go back to my website and paste my Facebook ID. So now we need to get the API token. I was gonna go back to our Facebook page. So from here we click setting, generate access token. So now we're going to copy this one, copy, going back to our website, and we're gonna paste it here. Now let's save it. Okay, so been saved. We're going to test it. We just want to try to test it and see. Just see. I'm gonna add the website URL, copy. I'm gonna put the URL here. Let's say open. There you go. As you can see, it's have done. The test it okay, as you can see here. See, so this is how you install Facebook Pixel on a WordPress website. I hope this will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.